How to watch NFL Sunday Ticket in Canada. In Canada, you've actually got a few ways to get NFL Sunday Ticket. The easiest is just grabbing DAZN. They've got the streaming rights here. And a subscription gets you every single NFL game live or on demand preseason, regular season, all the primetime matchups, playoffs, and even the Super Bowl. If you're more of a cable or satellite person, you can still get Sunday Ticket through providers like Shaw Direct, Bell Fibe, Rogers, Videotron, and a bunch of others. Shaw Direct, for example, is offering the 25-26 season for about $300 if you pay it all at once, or $75 a month if you want to spread it out. They've even got a half-season option for $200 or 3 payments of $67. That said, you don't necessarily need Sunday Ticket to catch a lot of games. CTV carries a full slate of Sunday afternoon matchups. TSN has all the big primetime games Monday, Sunday, and Thursday night, and RDS takes care of French language coverage across the board. So basically, if you want every single game, DAZN is the all-in-one option. If you already have cable or satellite, you can add Sunday Ticket through your provider. And if you're cool with just the national games, Connecticut V, TSN, and RDS will cover you for free.